Sure, guys, we'll come back to Speaker now. I'm still a boy Taylor DJ. So there's one video siyenzile this year and benginama-doubts amaningi about uCasper Nyovest about le show yakhe le fill up le yaseBloemfontein fill up Toyota Stadium. So I said no, there was no need for Casper Nyovest to fill up another show, especially in 2025 la hip hop khona down ngale ndlela. But ke umanage uphula abantu abambo than 30,000. So I was shocked. Like I think nami i-video yami ngangenzile amazwi ami ngabuyisela emuva because bengayilindelanga ke le ukuthi uzowaphula lama numbers because abantu be hip hop abaningi there's no one who's doing one man show because ama sales hip hop are low even for music, even ama screams are low ngale ndlela. So uCasper Nyovest uthi acreate abantu abawu 30,000. I think useyiyona lento akatshethu iyona. So bengishocked bengayilindelanga leyo. Ngibonile ishow ngabonile ama pictures akhona even though ilana lapha khona bimixen nabantu abenza amapiano because abaningi bathi no, the only reason I feel up Lesa Stadium is because bekunama piano because but I think i-strategy abasebenzisile ukuthi bekhethe isithi abazoya kuyona because sakhumbula oqala ifila lapha isedome okuyi-central ke Joburg, then esibili ise-Orlando, then esithathu ise-FNB, then there's another one la ayenza eba iflop esedebheni ifila up Moses Mabhida Stadium aba iflop yaba nama-supports ajamaningi but asikho lapho. Then there's le akayenzile okugcina beyenze kwi-hometown yakhe eMaftown nayo le yayi-success party wesashisa lapho. So this one bengayilindele because bise-Bloem and iBloemfontein abajwayele ukuba namashow amakhulu lakhe abantu abadume ngokulandela ibhola lakhe beside ukuba nemagufu le seyashona phansi abanawo amashow lakhe, especially ama one man show, especially hip hop bengayilinde ukuthi uzophula lapho. So shout out to Tilly, shout out to Casper Nyovest to pull out that one. I think leyo bengayilindeleke leyo to Casper Nyovest. I think I know mina because mina ipoint lami kakhulu uCasper Nyovest ngale yasho ukuthi no, I think uzomusha ilegacy yakhe because usewafila lapha lama stadium angempela. So mase zama ukufila lapha le stadium then mase aflopa kuzomusha nalamanye amashow leyo esenzile so base. So mina bekithi no, ayisekuright umjidlo mengasenza ngafila lapha anyway because already brand yakhe even though engasekho the top but I think urelevant uyathola ama booking yasho ama festival. I think engaba right even for engakhipha music uCasper Nyovest kuze kuphela u10 years olandela because i-catalog yakhe strong ngalo ndlela and nama brand asebenzisana nawo. So there's no need to depend in the show because some shows are stressful and are risky, but if we pull it out maybe next year uzophinda enzenye. So nje as a community hip hop as a speaker now, no, Nyovest, I know we see you. I think ama-rappers asemzansi maybe abaningi bomvume ngasekho umjida lo because abaningi no ngibonile even ku-Twitter bambala bombongela because abaningi like they are still anti uCasper. Abantu abaningi like angazi noma mhlawumbe ibrand yakhe ivele ibhilwe ngabantu be-hip hop abakhona inside abaningi ababe-hate uCasper because wathi efika wathi uzobahlula bonke. I think uyena wakhandela i-beef lesa futhi no uzoba top than anyone. So abantu abaningi ngibonile nje bambalwa ababhala congratulations but I think when it's come to i-culture semzansi I know ubabambile. So shout out to Casper Nyovest. So ivala lapho so Speaker Now sekhona eTwitter ethi Speaker Now, esikhona kuTikTok ethi Speaker Now, esikhona kuFacebook Speaker Now, Twitch Speaker Now.